Hello guys, this is Curious Ladka here and today I am going to tell you everything about the new Tata Sky Binge service. So let's get started. Tata Sky Binge is a video on demand and streaming service from Tata Sky where you can stream movies, TV shows and other media content from popular services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Saavn and many more with the help of Amazon Fire TV Stick, which they will provide to you for a monthly fees of Rs 249 only. And this includes no installation charges, no security charges and no lock-in period. By paying Rs 249 a month, you get Fire TV Stick along with premium subscriptions of Hotstar, Hungama and Sun Next. Tata Sky will also provide you access to Binge app, which has 7 days of video on demand content from popular TV channels and services that you can watch whenever you like. In the box, you'll get the Fire TV Stick, the voice remote, HDMI extension cable, power adapter, USB cable, and 2 AAA batteries. Right now, this service is only being rolled out to very limited users, so I suggest you to call Tata Sky customer care if you want to know if you are eligible. A person will come to your home from Tata Sky to install this device, and you just need to have a fast internet connection and a TV with HDMI port. At the time of setup, you have to log in via your Amazon account and then you will have your Tata Sky Binge app installed. To register it, it will just ask for your subscriber ID and an OTP that will be sent to your registered mobile number. After the setup, you can enjoy your new Amazon Fire TV Stick with premium subscriptions of Hotstar, Hungama and Sun Next. If you have an Amazon Prime subscription, you can also enjoy Amazon Prime Video and Amazon Prime Music as well. And also, as this is a fully fledged Amazon Fire TV Stick, whatever premium subscriptions you have, like of Netflix, Gaana, Spotify, Saavn, etc., you can enjoy them all just by logging in. There is also an app store where you can install any applications you like. Now it's time for the review. First of all, I'll talk about the pros. The device is very fast and fluid if you have a decent speed internet connection. The user interface has no lags and it navigates and gets around very fast. The remote provided is a Bluetooth remote, so you don't need to point it towards your TV for it to work, and you can also give voice commands to the remote by speaking close to it. In Rs 249 a month, with no installation, no security charges and no lock-in period, it can be a decent smart TV experience for your home. You can also cast content from your smartphone effortlessly by Miracast. Talking about the cons, the content is limited according to my opinion, and Hotstar doesn't have a lot of movies to offer right now. So if you don't have an Amazon Prime subscription, your content choice will be limited. One more thing that I noticed is that the voice search only searches in Amazon Prime services, not in Hotstar and Hungama Play, as you can see right here that Game of Thrones is not available when I do a voice search, but is indeed available on Hotstar. So you'll have to access it manually. Also, the device they have provided is not the latest generation and thus doesn't have the volume and power buttons on the remote, which are present in the latest generation. So that's a big bummer. It is really a great streaming experience. After all, we are paying Rs 249 a month only, and if we don't like it, we can just return the Fire TV to Tata Sky with no issues. Thanks a ton for watching. Leave your questions in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it and subscribe to Curious Ladka for more. I'll see you guys next time.